YouTube channel. My name is Olika Auntie Daycare. If today's your first day on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Please click on the subscribe button. Please share, comment, and like, okay? It will just help us, okay, to recommend this video to other Yoruba people in the world that wants to learn, okay, or wants their children to learn, or wants their family members or friends to learn about Yoruba language, okay? You are so welcome to our channel, okay? Please pardon my voice today. I am struggling with cold, but I wouldn't leave you guys without a video, okay? So please bear with my voice today. Thank you so much, okay? So I'm just going to address a few questions that I've got from video 50. So some parents asked me, oh, so how do we communicate with our eyes without the children saying, Mom, what's wrong with your eyes? Have you got dirt in your eyes or something? So we're going to address all of that today. Now, first of all, it takes a lot of practice. And also start at a very young age with the children, okay? Now, for some of us that we've got grown-ups, okay, like teenagers, or we've got maybe 10-year-olds and above, see, it's never too late, okay? It just requires a lot of practice and endurance, okay? So I'll give you an example or scenario, because I've got a 3-year-old, and every time he's doing something that I'm not happy with, he knows that I give him that really long stare or look or nodding or something or shaking on my head to let him know that I'm not happy with what he's doing, or I want him to stop what he's doing. So, for example, if they've placed something somewhere and you do not want them to put it there, just keep staring. Just keep staring at the thing and look at them. Stare at the thing and look at them. Stare at the thing and look at them. Eventually, they will notice that you're giving them a long stare, and they'll be forced to ask, Mommy, what? Or Daddy, what? Why are you looking at me? Or why are you staring at me? See, eventually, don't say a word, keep staring. I know it is really painful to do sometimes, and it really tests your patience, but don't stop, keep doing it, and eventually they will get it, okay? So even when you do it to them in the public, they will know, oh, there is something I'm doing my mom or my dad is not happy with, okay? And that is it really, okay? Just practice. No matter how frustrated you get, don't say a word. Just keep staring and they will get it. Like I told you, my mom, she's a queen of eye communication. I tell you, that woman, but trust me, you cannot be with my mom and not learn eye communication. She is queen. But when I spoke with her, it was a lot of practice as well that she mentioned, and endurance. So that is it, okay? So as you know, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of Enyo, Ejo, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale. Akúdéjà sí pẹ̀lú gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Aunty Daycare. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lórí ètò lónìí, a máa dáhùn sí àwọn ìbéèrè tí mo gbà lórí fọ́nrán bí a ti ń bára ẹni sọ̀rọ̀ ní ayé àtijọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, tẹ́ bá lọ́wọ́ fọ́nrán 50, a béèrè pé báwo ni a ṣe ń fi ojú bá àwọn ọmọ òde òní sọ̀rọ̀, pàápàá jùlọ àwọn ọmọ tí a bí ní sẹ́yìn odi. Báwo ni a ṣe ń fi ojú bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ láì ṣe wípé wọ́n sọ pé ìyá mi, bàbá mi, kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ̀ wò mí, ṣé dọ̀tí kò sí ní lójú mi? Ẹ mọ̀ ọ́n àwọn béèrè bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ti ṣe sọ ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, a máa ní láti ní sùúrù. Sùúrù wa ní láti pọ̀ gidi gan láti jẹ́ kí wọ́n kọ́ bí a ti ń fi ojú bára ẹni sọ̀rọ̀. Bí wọ́n bá ṣe nǹkan nulẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí, ẹ̀yẹn ṣàmọ̀ wò wọ́n, ẹ mọ̀ tẹjú mọ́ wọn. Tó bá yà fún ọ lọ́wọ́ béèrè pé kí ló dé tẹ́ fi ń tẹjú mọ́ mi ìyá mi, kí ló dé tẹ́ fi ń tẹjú mọ́ mi bàbá mi tó tó yìí. Ẹ má sọ kankan o, ẹ sì máa wò wọ́n. Àwọn fúnra wọn lọ́mọ àpò dá kí ni mo ṣe, kí nìkan tí mo ṣe tí ò dá tí ìyá àti bàbá ìfún wù mí délé. Ṣó ti yé yín? Ẹ máa ṣe nígbàdégbà. Ẹ máa ṣe, ẹ máa tún ṣe, ẹ máa ṣe, ẹ máa tún ṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kò ní pẹ́ rárá. Ẹ máa rí pé ó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa yé wọn. Débi pé tẹ́ bá wà níta, bẹ́ẹ̀ bá fojú bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, ó máa yé wọn pé nǹkan tí ìyá mi àti bàbá mi sọ lélẹ̀ débi pé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá fẹ́ kọ́ gba nǹkan gan lọ́wọ́ ará àta bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti fojú bá wọn sọ ayé wọn ṣó ti èyí mo béèrè nínú fọ́nrán 50 yẹn wípé tí wọ́n bá sọ pé kọ́mọ lọ gba àròdàn wá kí ni ìtumọ̀ rẹ̀ àròdàn la máa ní kọ́mọ lọ gbà bá a bá fẹ́ ká pọ̀ jù báyìí lọ níbi ọ̀rọ̀ sísọ táàsì fẹ́ kọ́mọdé wà ń bẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ wípé ọmọ yẹn ń dà wá láàmú a sì nílò ìsinmi díẹ̀ ráńpẹ́ ká kàn fẹ́ kọ́mọ kúrò nílé kéèyàn lè ní ìsinmi díẹ̀ ẹ ṣáà ní kọ́mọ náà lọ gbà àròdàn wá láyé àtijọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ní kọ́mọdé lọ gbà àròdàn wá lọ́wọ́ àgbàlagbà kan àgbàlagbà yẹn jọ pé àwọn náà jọ ọmọ Yorùbá tó yanrantí wọ́n ti máa mọ̀ wípé ẹ fẹ́ kọ́ máa ṣe gáfárà fún yín ni wọ́n máa di ọmọ yẹn mú títí dìgbà tẹ́ máa wá pè fúnra ara yín ni bó ṣe rí nìyẹn ìdáhùn sí ìbéèrè tí mo béèrè ni pé kí ni àròdàn àmọ́ mi fẹ́ sọ lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì nítorí bí n bá sọ lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì àwọn ọmọ wa máa já pé àròdàn tó wá ní pé tẹ́ bá ní pé kọ́ lọ gbà àròdàn wá láwọn ò lọ ṣó ti yé yín torí ẹ̀ mi ṣe sọ yẹn ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ti tòní mo kàn fẹ́ dáhùn sí àwọn ìbéèrè yẹn ṣó yé yín wọ́n ní ìbéèrè kan fún yín lónìí kí ni à ń pe ọmọkùnrin àti ọmọbìnrin yàtọ̀ sí ọkùnrin àti obìnrin ṣẹ̀mọ̀ ẹ bá mi kọ sí abẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí ó tún di ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀ nìyẹn. Alright guys, I have done my video for today. I just wanted to address those questions, okay? And I just wanted to give you the answer to the question from the episode 50 video, okay? And as you know, we're saying our order together on the count of Emio, Ejio, Etaoya, Dabo. Thank you very much, Eshio.